Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Anybody that's new to the channel, my name is Chris. I'm a dividend value investor. I just love stocks, research stocks in my spare time, and in my channel I like to talk about stocks and how to make money in the stock market. And in this video we're going to talk about Tesla stock. So Tesla posted 5 consecutive quarters of profit, and they're going to be included into the S&P 500 December 21st before market open, but it was never really announced which company they will be replacing on its way to the S&P 500 until now. It was finally announced which company and which adjustments the S&P committee is going to be making in order to make room for Tesla. So in this video, I basically want to give you guys an update to Tesla stock and some new developing news that might change Tesla stock price prediction moving forward. So stick around, guys. I have a lot of great information for you all. So before we get started, guys, I kind of want to update you guys on some recent news on Tesla stock. So it was rumored and reported that Elon Musk is seeking to raise $5 billion by selling Tesla stock shares, okay? Hopefully this doesn't concern many investors because he's doing it for a good reason. And he's not going to be selling $5 billion of Tesla stock, just to up the ante and make the stock price a little bit higher. He's doing it for a pretty good reason. He's selling these stocks, and he's not going to sell them all in one shot. He's going to be selling them from time to time in order to finance and help construct his factory over there in Germany, okay? And this is pretty big, and this is kind of, pretty good news for investors because, mind you, Tesla's already trying to build the first Tego factory in Texas, okay? So Elon Musk is probably too tied up with his funds with that Tego factory. This Tego factory is supposedly going to be huge, massive, and it's going to be way bigger than the Gigafactory that they have now. They're going to be producing way more cars, going to have way more movements, and have a lot more built into their space in Texas with their Tego factory. So I understand they will need some type of funding to help build their new plant over there in Germany. This right here, what this is going on right now, doesn't really concern me too much, okay? They did do this one time before they had the 5-to-1 stock split, and Elon Musk did raise another $5 billion in common stock shares. So moving forward, guys, the company that Tesla will be replacing has finally been announced, okay? Tesla to replace Apartment Investment and Management REIT upon its inclusion into the S&P 500 index later this month, okay? This has been a long-awaited announcement. The first time it was announced that Tesla will be included into the S&P 500 was November 16. So we investors have waited over a month to see what kind of shakes and what kind of adjustments the S&P committee will be doing to the S&P 500. And when you finally found it, they're going to be replacing a REIT stock, okay, Apartment Investment and Management REIT. And with little less than a week left into the S&P 500 inclusion for Tesla, we finally kind of know the little shakeups that it will have, okay? This REIT stock dropped 5% the moment this was announced, and Tesla gained, I believe, 1%, okay? Tesla will also join the S&P 100, replacing Occidental Petroleum Corp. Occidental will remain in the S&P 500 though, okay? So you can see the Tesla is joining the S&P 100 and the S&P 500, okay? Occidental Petroleum Corp is staying in the S&P 500. They are not being taken out of the S&P 500. But the REIT stock, Apartment Investment and Management REIT, is sliding down to the S&P 400 mid-cap index, okay? And the company that they will be replacing is the Dunkin' Brand Group, okay? So you can see just before the inclusion of Tesla, there's a little shakeup, okay? And I know there were a lot of questions relating to how will Tesla be included into the S&P 500? Will they be in two parts, or will they be included all in one shot? Even the index committee, they had to seek some guidance and some counseling, and I talked to other consultants to see what will be the best options for them. And at the end, they kind of decided that Tesla will be added all in one shot, okay? And here's where it kind of gets tricky, and here's where the Tesla stock prices are going to skyrocket, okay? Because now that their funds, the hedge fund managers, are going to have to adjust their entire portfolios, sell off some of their shares to basically make room for Tesla stock, okay? There's currently over $11.2 trillion in assets benchmarked into the S&P 500, with roughly 4.6 trillion of total index funds, okay? And just by, remember, Tesla's going to be one of the biggest additions into the S&P 500. They still haven't announced how much weight that Tesla will be added, or Tesla will, I guess, have onto the S&P 500. That hasn't been announced yet. I'm pretty sure before market open on December 21st, we were kind of having a great idea. But there's some rumors going around that they will have around 1.2%. That's around what Procter & Gamble and Johnson & Johnson have right now. And when it comes to the hedge funds, check this paragraph out. According to Howard Silverblatt, senior index analyst at the S&P Dow Jones Indices, $80 billion worth of Tesla stock will have to be bought by index investors. And look at the paragraph below that one. Fund managers that must buy the index will try to buy Tesla as near the December 18 closing price as possible. It's probably going to be one of the biggest markets on close by orders of all time, okay? Because depending on how the Tesla stock price is on December 18, which is the Friday before the Monday of December 21st, it will depend on how much money investors and fund managers are going to have to buy and put to the side for Tesla stock. And I'm 100% certain that more investors are going to be heavily investing and putting more money into Tesla stock before the official date of December 21st. So Tesla stock is going to be on extreme high demand December 18, maybe this whole week coming up. Tesla stock is going to be on high alert, high demand, okay? And this is what a lot of fund managers didn't want. They didn't want the volatility from Tesla. And I understand there is a lot of volatility when it comes to companies like Tesla, but there's always high demand for it. Now they have to make room for Tesla if they want to, basically match the returns of the S&P 500. Now they're kind of forced to have Tesla all in one shot because of the decision of the S&P committee, okay? And this is just very interesting to kind of see and just to watch how Tesla has been growing up this whole year. Tesla has gone up over 600% this year alone. And Tesla is just a force to be reckoned with. And with the higher demand of how the electric vehicles has been doing this year, companies like NIO, Workhorse, XPeng, all these electric vehicle companies, they've been kicking butt this year, okay? And Tesla has been the front runner and the number one, leader in the industry, okay? And no offense, like Tesla does deserve a big round of applause for all of his and all of his accomplishments that has been doing this year. I do give it up to Elon Musk and everything he has been doing. Supposedly he did just pass, Bill Gates. A big round of applause to Elon Musk. Supposedly he has just a big round of applause to Elon Musk. A big round of applause to Elon Musk as well. Supposedly he just passed. And a big round of applause to Elon Musk. Supposedly he has become the second richest man in the world because of his Tesla stock prices and his Tesla shares that have been skyrocketing this year alone. Okay, so that's basically my Tesla update. And I want to give you guys my price prediction for Tesla, okay? So what I think before Tesla goes inside the S&P 500, I do think the weight on Tesla is going to be around 1.5%. I do think it's going to be heavier weight than Procter & Gamble and Johnson & Johnson. I do believe that because I think the stock price is going to be so high when it comes to it. The evaluation of this company is just going to be ridiculous the moment it goes inside the S&P. But for now, right now, Tesla's trading around $600. I think around, in a week, it could probably hit $650 and it could really drive fund managers nuts. Okay, so that's basically my price prediction just for this week before it gets included into the S&P 500. And once it's official, I could easily see this company hitting $780. All right, guys. So that's basically the video. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Hope you guys got a lot of great information from it. If you guys want to be part of our growing community, please remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and smash the like button. Don't forget to smash the like button. All right, guys. Please take care of one another. Be safe out there. Wear your masks. Be kind to one another. Hug one another. Till next time, guys. Have a great day.